How you going, guys? Matt here from Addicted to Tools, and today I'm taking you through the installation of the Rhino rack platform and backbone for the 2020 Pajero Sport. Let's get into it. Alright, so that's the backbone there, which goes on both sides of the car, and that's the platform. And you normally use a trim tool to get this off. I actually don't have any, but I just gave it a go, and I actually just sort of leveraged it off with my hands. So I'll try to video the next one. It's a size 10. So I'm just using some grime wipes. These are just some cleaning wipes. So just clean all down and inside here. So now we've cleaned up the top. Basically I'm going to throw the backbone up so it'll sit. It should have 3 bases. Got 1, 2, 3. Then we have the B188, W004, W031. Should be 10 of each, and basically they'll go into those anchor points. So that's the 2 sides on. Throw the platform up. So you've got these M3 little covers. They'll go in there like that and just cover the holes at the back. So the backbone is now installed, and I'm going to throw the platform up, and I will put the bolts in wherever they are needed. I'm not sure exactly where they're supposed to be on the rack until it's up, so we'll throw that up now. Alright guys, so I've thrown it up on the roof. And what we have to do now is basically, we have to change these arms that are going across. Just 3. You're gonna have to do the front, middle, and back one. They've given you this tool, so you'll loosen them all off. You're best off right now with it on the roof, measuring so it is equal front and back, and going from there. So one of the problems we've actually got, and I'll show you the difference, is this is the new version, so this is the 2020. I think all the other ones before it, 2019, 18, all that, they don't have the aerial fin at the back there. And as you can see, it sits in the way. So to have this sitting perfectly in center of the brackets, it's going to be fouling with that. So you've got to go forward or back. So at the moment that's sitting forward. As you can see, you've got a bit of an overhang, but I think I might actually change it. I think I like it overhanging the back, so we'll do that. Alright, so I've made a couple of marks where I want these main beams to be. So all you got to do is use your tool. In here, there's all the nuts and bolts. Unloosen those, and then you've got measurements on the side, which makes it really good. So you can line it up either. Down inside there for the measurements. So I've gone to the 75, which was where the mark was. And I've just done the 2 outside ones to keep it still. Just go through, tighten them all up. Alright, so once you have all these in the correct positions, grab these, they just slot into here, so that, and they'll slide up into the spots that will correlate with the mounting points on the backbone. So I'll put all these on, I'll put them close to the middle just so I could get it up without scratching the roof, and we can bolt it on. So I've thrown it up. Got it sitting nice. As you can see, the bolts are sitting in there, all 6 of them. You see that? So it's not sitting equal both sides. So I'm just going to measure each side. You can push it over really easy, and then just throw the washers on and the bolts and tighten her up. Alright, so I've measured each side with a tape measure, and it's fully equal, which is really good. And now I'm just going to tighten these up with a ratchet spanner. This is a 13mm, so they'll get in there nice and tight. So there we go. Sitting tidy. From the front. Doesn't look too bad. You can see it's sitting back about 40mm there. It's not best, but as you can see, it's missing that wing. And if you're worried as well, if you open the boot, it misses. So have a look from the other side because of that sun. Plenty of room. So that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the full install of the Rhino rack platform and backbone for the 2020 Pajero Sport. Sitting nice. There's a lot of bits and pieces, a lot of accessories to buy for it. So I'll be buying a few bits and pieces in the future and fully decking it out. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment if you've enjoyed this, if it's been entertaining or informational. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out my Instagram, Addicted to Tools. Definitely worth a look. A lot of other content out there. So thanks, guys. Cheers.